Hey, have you had the talk? Romance is an important part of our life. I mean, it goes way beyond intimacy. What about the quiet times just before you go to sleep? Are you waking up and your partner is no longer in the bed? Has your partner asked you to move to the basement? Snoring affects many lives. Not only the person that's snoring, but the one that is within ear distance of the snoring. Mayo Clinic did a research project that showed that the average snorer will have fragmented sleep 27 times an hour, but anyone within ear distance of the snorer is 21 times an hour. I had someone come to me that we treated for snoring, and they said, "Boy, I sure wished I met you 10 years sooner. We'd still be married." It breaks my heart. Speaking of heart, what about heartache? You see, snoring is an indicator of maybe a greater problem, a problem called obstructive sleep apnea. Untreated sleep apnea can cause heart problems, heartaches. Not only heartaches for the person, in fact, 90% of people who die in their sleep due to a heart attack, according to research, the root cause is sleep apnea. Don't take a risk of causing heartaches to your loved one. Get it treated today. Come and see us at Koala Center for Sleep Disorders and see what the options are for treating sleep apnea. We have an option you can live with.